everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you how to do this sunset gold eyeshadow look today that I have on. If you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look today and you want to see me trying on for the first time Becca First Light Priming Filter for the first time, and this Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hunging Lip Gloss in the color Beach Bomb. I'm trying these two products for the first time today. So if you want to see my first impressions of these two items and how to get this sunset gold eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. This was a requested video by Elizabeth Ann Beauty. I will have her channel link in my description box below, so go check it out. And these two products that I will be showing my first impressions on is actually going to be in a future giveaway. I do have the sneak peek of the giveaway and a previous video, so go check that out. The first thing I'm going to be using is the Milani eyeshadow primer. The next shade I'm going to use is going to be this burnt orange color on the Modern Renaissance palette. Right, now on the outside edges, I'm going to use, I think it's called Veterian Red. Now on the inside parts of my eye, I'm going to go in with Primavera. I think that's how you pronounce it. That color right there. I think I'll use my finger. Alright, and then I'm going back in to Veterian Red and just kind of blending in those two colors a little bit more. Alright, I know it looks crazy right now, but I promise you after I do basically my foundation, it's going to look a lot better. Now I'm going to clean up my face with these Dirty Work face wipes. They look like that. You'll be trying out for the first time this Becca First Light Priming Filter. And yes, this will be in my sneak peek of my giveaway, so it will be in a future giveaway. I do have the sneak peek up already on my channel. Just either you can look at the description box below, or I will have a little place where at the end of this video you can click on the little box and it will take you to that video, or you can just look up on my recent videos. I think I posted it April 10th. I'm not using yours, of course. I bought me one and I bought one for the giveaway. Oh, it comes in a box like this. Cool, so this is inside the box. The direction says use alone for a luminous, pure, healthy glow or under makeup as a glow illuminate primer. Okay. This is what the actual product looks like. It is a like lavender looking color. And I think lavender is supposed to cancel out red or something. I really don't know what lavender is supposed to do. I thought green is supposed to cancel out that. I don't know. Maybe it just gives a luminosity color. I don't know. So there's what that looks like. It has a slight like clean makeup scent. So it doesn't feel that hydrating like I was expecting. So yeah, you might still need to, I might next time mix this in with a oil and see how that does, but I mean, let's just put it on. Alright, after that I am going to be mixing in my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation with the Pure Beauty Facial Oil. I'm going to mix these two together and put it on my face. Alright, the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It looks like this, and I'm going to just put that underneath my eyes and on the problem spots you can see. I personally think I need one more pump of the LA Girl foundation, so I'm going to layer it up today. Alright, after that I am using the Hard Candy Welcome Matte Powder. The packaging looks like that. I'm going to focus mainly under my eyes to set under my eyes first, and then I'll go with a different, bigger, fluffier brush around the whole face. Alright, and now I'm going to kind of contour slash bronze up my face with this butter bronzer. Next, I am going in with this Cargo blush, and this is the color Big Easy. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Flexitarian. Alright, that's a little bit more than what I was asking for, so yeah, we might be a little blingy today. After that, I'm going back with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be using the color Cypress Umber on my brows. Alright, so my sister called me and it cut off my phone, plus my recording didn't take, and I didn't realize it until like 2 minutes later or something like that, or 5 minutes later. And I used the eyeliner that DD5 sent me in our box swap in a previous video. It's called the Kix Eyeliner Intense Definition Eyeliner, and that is what it looks like. I love this eyeliner. It applies really smoothly. It's easy to clean up. It lasts all day. It's really black. It's really matte. It's great for hooded eyes. And then I went in with another thing I got from the box swap I did with DD5. And this is the Kix Daring False Lash Extreme Volume and Length Mascara, and this is what it looks like. I do like the mascara so far. This is my first time trying it out by itself without false lashes, so we'll see. It's like a first impression for it, kind of, on this video, but so far I like it. My lashes are like really bad right now. Like, I have a bad like lash picking problem, especially on this eye, so but I mean, so far so good, I guess. I think, you know, I really don't know because this is a first impression, but so far I think I still like my It's Cosmetic Superhero Mascara more than this one, but this one is a nice one so far. Yeah, it's a lot better than the stupid Pacific one already. Now after I did all of that, I am going to go in with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the color Wild Nothing. This is what the product looks like. I really love this lip liner. Now I'm going to go in the Milani lipstick in the color 55 Bahama Beige. This is the color. This exact color is discontinued, but they do have very similar colors in the same formula. And now I'm going to try out this new, it's I'm pre-recording my videos. It's been a little bit over 2 weeks since this launched, but it is the Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hunging Lip Gloss, and I chose the color Beach Bomb. This is what it looks like in packaging, and this is also one of the products that I will have in my future giveaway, along with a few other things that's not mentioned. I got a total of 7 things picked out, but only 2 that I actually bought just for the giveaway. But then there's 5 other things that I just kind of threw in there that's like deluxe samples and stuff like that. But this is what the lip gloss looks like, and this will be a first impression. I didn't know how pigmented it was going to be. It looks pretty pigmented, so that's why I put the lip color on there, just because it's a similar color to what I was looking for, just maybe a tad bit darker. And yeah, let's just try it out. The doe foot looks like that, so it's kind of a little bit different. Oh, it has like a slight chocolatey smell to it. It hugs the lips really good. I'm gonna do a little swatch since I already had lipstick on. So it looks pretty pigmented. I wonder what it does when I try to rub it off or try to rub it. So it kind of has a little bit of a sticky feeling when you do this, but on your lips it doesn't feel sticky at all. But yeah, like rubbed out, you can still see the pigment there. So I probably will just do this with lip liner next time. So I like it so far. I'm liking it. Now I am going to go in with the Milani setting mist. The setting mist bottle actually messed up on me, so I just put it in this Wet n Wild one, because the Wet n Wild like bottle setting mist is actually really good in my opinion. I really like the sprayer, so I just put the Milani one in this one just so I wouldn't have to waste all the product, because the Milani ones are really hard to open. These aren't. So these are great bottles to keep for other stuff. Like if you want a disinfectant spray or something, you could just put like peroxide in a bottle kind of like this, but just be careful because of the labeling. But anyways, alright, so this is the end of the look. I'm going to go do my intro and outro now. Alright, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked this gold and red sunset eyeshadow look that I did in this video. And please don't forget to check out my sneak peek of my future giveaway, where I will be giving away this Becca First Light Priming Filter that I tried out in this video for the first time today, and this Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hunging Lip Gloss in the color Beach Bomb. These 2 are on my face right now. And yeah, please don't forget to check out that video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you buddies next time. Bye!